Jai Hind everybody. There is a famous saying that India is a country which lives in its village, but it grows in its city. Now we have got today we have got this golden opportunity to talk on the topic rural versus urban development. Uh, our rural development. uh, Here we are just not talking about two different geographies, but we are also talking about two gears of the same engine. We the urban cities the urban cities is the engine of our uh, the urban cities is the engine of our national development. It provides 70%, it contributes to about 70% to our GDP, where our rural landhard provides 63% of our population, provides 63% home to our population, and it is also the foundation of our consumption.
I'm agreeing with Sunal that as you told about that the urban areas provide more than 60% of the GDP, but it only houses about 25% of the total population, and that to maintain that ratio, we should promote the industry to set up in the fragile area like rural areas for and also to set up the rural industries in the rural area just to stop the migration and to balance the ratio of the 60% more than GDP and 35% of the household slums. And also, I would like to add one point that this can lead to the stop of migration of rural people as they migrate to the cities in a hope of better life and better facilities. But due to this, the cities cannot put the burden of overpopulation, and also they are having such a overpopulation of unemployment. If the migration happen from the rural area to the urban area, this can lead to the unemployment and limited job opportunities. So just to stop this, there are many schemes like Nivi Bharat, and also some schemes that related to the women, which gave related to the women employment, as the government provide loans to the women to start up their business.
Gentlemen, we must realize that migration is a sign of economic a sign of a dynamic economy. If the migration only when it is driven by the ambition, the migration when a son of a farmer comes to city for becoming a data scientist, it is the migration due to the ambition. But if he comes as a daily labor, it is due to the migration is due to the distress. So we should provide the various schemes like PMGSY, the Bharat Mala Pariyojana, where there is an express highways for the development of the rural area.
As yes, I would like to add one point that infrastructure gap